For puzzle enthusiasts who love a challenge, the Megaminx Maglev takes speed cubing to the next level. With magnetic levitation technology for smoother, faster turns, it offers precision and stability in every twist. Here are the best 5 Megaminx Maglev cubes that combine performance, innovation, and fun for cubers of all levels. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. YJ-MGC SQ1 V2 Megaminx Maglev. The world of speed cubing keeps evolving, and one of the most exciting innovations to hit the puzzle community is the YJ Maglev. Designed with precision and passion by Yongjun, this cube pushes the limits of performance, transforming the traditional Square One into a magnetically enhanced, lightning-fast machine built for serious cubers. The moment you hold it, you can feel the fine craftsmanship and cutting-edge engineering that distinguish it from regular cubes. Its smooth texture, compact structure, and vibrant color scheme immediately catch the eye, inviting you to twist, turn, and explore its endless possibilities. What makes this cube so thrilling is its maglev system. Instead of relying on traditional springs, it uses magnetic levitation to eliminate friction, offering an unbelievably fluid rotation experience. Each turn feels light yet controlled, giving you the sense that the puzzle almost anticipates your next move. The magnetic alignment system provides a satisfying click when the layers snap into place, ensuring incredible stability during high-speed solves. This combination of speed, precision, and balance makes it not only a joy to handle, but also a reliable partner for competitive solving sessions. Crafted from high-quality plastic, the YJ Maglev manages to remain both durable and lightweight, which is crucial for those long training sessions where endurance and comfort matter. The cube's design focuses on performance without compromising the tactile feedback that cubers crave. It resists corner twisting and lockups effectively, even under intense solving pressure. With its mini form factor, it fits comfortably in your hand, making it suitable for both at-home practice and on-the-go fidgeting. This cube is more than a toy. It's a fusion of science and fun, appealing to puzzle enthusiasts and competitive cubers alike. Whether you are a seasoned solver chasing new records or simply someone who enjoys the soothing rhythm of twisting and turning, the YJ Maglev delivers a unique sensory experience. It challenges your brain, sharpens your focus, and provides a perfect balance between play and precision. With its innovative design and magnetic technology, this cube redefines what a Square One can be. It's not just a puzzle, it's a marvel of engineering, inviting you to explore new solving techniques and experience true cubing satisfaction. Pros: smooth rotation, magnetic stability, compact design, high durability. Cons: price, learning curve. Number 4. Moyu MY8296 Megaminx Maglev. From the first glance, it radiates precision, performance, and an irresistible sense of innovation. This is not just another cube, it's a statement piece that represents years of refinement and passion for perfection. Crafted by Moyu, one of the most respected names in the cubing industry, this model pushes the boundaries of speed and smoothness with its cutting-edge magnetic and maglev technology. Every detail, from its polished plastic shell to its perfectly tuned internal structure, screams quality and sophistication. The heart of the cube lies in its remarkable maglev system, a technology that replaces traditional springs with opposing magnets to create magnetic levitation. The result is a near-frictionless feel, allowing for incredibly fluid turns that seem to glide effortlessly between your fingers. Each rotation feels silky smooth, yet satisfyingly controlled, making it ideal for both high-speed solving and relaxed fidget play. The internal magnetic ball core ensures flawless alignment between layers, providing unmatched stability and precision even at blistering solving speeds. It's the kind of cube that seems to predict your motion before you make it, turning every twist into a moment of pure mechanical harmony. This cube's design captures the perfect balance between form and function. Its corner-cutting ability is phenomenal, reducing lockups and maintaining consistency throughout intense solving sessions. The lightweight but sturdy plastic ensures long-term durability without sacrificing comfort. The bright, stickerless colors are visually pleasing and easy to distinguish, enhancing recognition during solves. Whether you're a beginner fascinated by the beauty of cubing or a competitive solver aiming for record-breaking times, this cube delivers a level of performance that feels futuristic. What truly makes the MoYu MY8296 Maglev special is how it connects you to the rhythm of solving. It transforms every rotation into a tactile symphony of motion and precision, offering a unique blend of speed, control, and satisfaction. It's a masterpiece for the modern cuber, reliable, refined, and ready to redefine your expectations of what a cube can be. Once you experience its seamless performance, ordinary cubes will never feel the same again. Pros: fluid motion, magnetic precision, bright design, durable build. Cons: premium price, adjustment time. Number 3. Bukafuno V11 SE Megaminx Maglev. A thrilling fusion of elegance, innovation, and precision defines this magnetic maglev cube, a true masterpiece created for those who seek perfection in every turn. From the first touch, it exudes sophistication and performance, designed for cubers who demand both speed and control. The surface gleams with a refined UV finish that feels smooth under the fingertips, offering just the right amount of grip for flawless handling. Every detail, from the balanced internal mechanism to the vibrant stickerless shades, is meticulously crafted to deliver an experience that feels futuristic and exhilarating. At the core of its brilliance lies the advanced maglev system, which replaces the conventional spring mechanism with a magnetic levitation structure. This design uses opposing magnetic forces to create an incredibly fluid motion that feels almost weightless. Each twist flows effortlessly, producing a satisfying glide that enhances both comfort and speed. The cube's magnetic alignment system ensures each layer snaps perfectly into place, maintaining superb stability and precision during even the fastest solves. It's a revelation for anyone who's experienced friction or misalignment in older models. This one feels like it's powered by air itself. Engineered with high-quality plastic, this cube balances durability and lightness, making it ideal for both intensive practice sessions and competitive play. Its corner-cutting capabilities are exceptional, eliminating lockups and maintaining consistency through complex algorithms. The cube's design focuses on harmony between flexibility and firmness, ensuring that every movement feels natural yet controlled. Whether you're chasing a personal record or simply indulging in the calming rhythm of cubing, it provides an experience that's both relaxing and electrifying at once. This magnetic marvel doesn't just move, it performs with personality. Every rotation echoes precision. Every solve becomes an artistic dance between logic and motion. Its dazzling finish and balanced structure make it not just a high-performance puzzle, but a symbol of craftsmanship and creativity. It invites you to explore, challenge yourself, and rediscover the joy of problem-solving in its purest form. This is more than a cube. It's a statement of innovation that brings science, art, and excitement together into one unforgettable experience. Pros: silky turns, magnetic stability, UV finish, durable build. Cons: premium cost, steep learning curve. Number 2. Bukafuno GY50002 Megaminx Maglev. Brilliance, creativity, and technology unite in this extraordinary magnetic maglev puzzle that captures the essence of high-speed solving. Crafted with the precision and care that the most passionate cubers expect, this dodecahedron-shaped masterpiece transforms the traditional Megaminx into a stunning feat of modern design. From its vibrant geometry to its feather-light touch, it invites curiosity and admiration in equal measure. Each face radiates color and balance, while its magnetic system hums with the quiet promise of performance perfection. Handling it feels like exploring a work of art engineered for motion, intellect, and delight. At the heart of this puzzle lies an advanced magnetic mechanism that creates an effortless glide through every rotation. The maglev technology replaces conventional springs, using repelling magnetic forces to eliminate friction and deliver a near-weightless feel. Every twist feels fluid, controlled, and astonishingly stable, giving solvers complete confidence even at the highest speeds. The precision-engineered magnetic alignment ensures the layers lock smoothly into place, reducing resistance while maintaining perfect positioning. This harmony between speed and accuracy transforms each solve into a satisfying dance of motion and logic, where every move feels intuitive and responsive. The cube's structural design highlights both performance and beauty. Its ergonomically sculpted surfaces make it comfortable to hold for extended solving sessions, while the vibrant stickerless colors offer perfect visibility for fast recognition. Built from premium plastic, it achieves remarkable durability without adding unnecessary weight, preserving both agility and longevity. The internal engineering is optimized for corner cutting and anti-pop performance, giving solvers the freedom to move quickly without interruptions. Whether you are an experienced cuber aiming for world-class times or a newcomer captivated by the challenge, this puzzle offers the ideal gateway into high-level solving. There's something mesmerizing about how seamlessly this cube responds to your every motion. It feels alive in your hands, almost breathing with energy as you guide it through each algorithm. Every twist becomes a moment of focus and satisfaction, blending art, engineering, and rhythm into a single experience. More than just a toy, it stands as a symbol of curiosity, creativity, and mastery, a puzzle that invites endless exploration and rewards every ounce of dedication you bring to it. Pros: effortless motion, strong magnets, ergonomic shape, vibrant colors. Cons: high price. Number 1 and the winner is GAN 15M Megaminx Maglev. A true masterpiece of engineering and artistry, this magnetic maglev cube stands as the ultimate symbol of innovation in the cubing world. Designed to capture both the thrill of speed and the beauty of precision, it represents the pinnacle of modern puzzle craftsmanship. The moment you pick it up, you can feel the difference. A sleek, refined surface with a stunning UV coating that glimmers under light, perfectly complementing its stickerless design. Every face feels smooth yet grippy, inviting your fingers to move instinctively. It's not just a cube, it's an experience that embodies speed, stability, and perfection in every turn. At its core lies the remarkable maglev technology, replacing traditional springs with magnetic levitation to reduce friction and increase smoothness beyond imagination. Each twist flows effortlessly, gliding with an almost weightless grace, while maintaining an incredible sense of control. The internal magnetic alignment system ensures each layer snaps into perfect position with satisfying precision, making even the fastest solves feel seamless and fluid. You can sense the intelligent design in every movement. It's as if the cube works in harmony with your hands, anticipating your next motion with intuitive responsiveness. This cube's UV-coated finish doesn't just enhance appearance, it improves grip and durability, keeping it beautiful and functional over time. The structure is designed for balance, with a lightweight plastic body that withstands countless solves without loosening or warping. Its corner-cutting and anti-lock capabilities are exceptional, delivering unparalleled consistency through complex algorithms. Whether you're a professional aiming for competition-level performance or a passionate hobbyist seeking the perfect cube, it provides a solving experience that feels nothing short of magical. More than a puzzle, this creation is a blend of art, science, and imagination. Each rotation is a moment of clarity and focus, a reminder of how engineering and creativity can coexist so beautifully. It doesn't just challenge your mind, it rewards it, offering satisfaction with every perfectly aligned layer. This cube isn't just the next step in cubing evolution, it's the summit, the masterpiece that defines excellence. With its breathtaking smoothness, impeccable design, and pure innovation, it reigns supreme as the ultimate speed cube experience. Pros: ultra smooth, magnetic control, UV finish, lightweight build. Cons: premium price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.